Assalamu alaikum to all friends. Please subscribe my channel The Electrical Tips and Tricks and watch full video. Thanks. Borrow DC fan motor rewind. Open the motor plastic cap, one side clip and second side clip, and remove the cap and motor. Open the router into the motor. This is motor router and this coil connection. Open the coil connection clip one by one into all sides. Remove the wire in the router one by one coil. Remove the all wire in the router and clear it. This is old wire is scrapped. This 34 number is copper wire and rewind it. Clear the one side copper wire color into the connection in router. The copper wire one side is router connecting one side and round it 20 rounds or one coil in the router. First coil is complete and make it second coil in the router. Clear the copper wire color in center. First coil, second wire connect to the router and make it second coil. Second coil, same the first coil round 20 rounds. Press the all coil connection clip in the router. Finally, rewind the router and fix the router in the motor's plastic cap. Close the motor. 12 volt power supply, 12 volts supply connecting to the motor wire. Attach the air cap in the motor. Supply wire and motor wire connect. The fan is running up. Subscribe my channel, the electrical tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.